to my channel. I have recently see this young girl is so very sing well. I first saw him, this young girl is from blind audition of Best Boys, and she is Jade Derrique, and singing Homesick by Dua Lipa, and all of Just Quickest chair turned to her. So take a look that scenes. And this the blind audition for the Best Boys. First, Jade is already 14 years old here, and suddenly the all Just quickest turned to her. This time is already 14 years old, and now she have a new single, on her own single now, and she also grand final on this blind audition and Best Boys. That is Jade. The video for this young girl is so very angelic voice, and a simple lady, and good luck to you and more power, and what can I say, you're the best, perfect. And then guys, if you are new here on my video, so please don't forget to click my subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and most especially my notification bell to keep update on my new uploaded video and another reaction video for Jade. Thank you so much. God bless you. Hi Belgium friend. Bye. God bless.